Imagine this. After a long, exhausting day at work, all you want is a good night's sleep. You lie down and drift off quickly, only to wake up a few hours later with an urgent need to use the bathroom. This cycle can repeat several times, leaving you frustrated and exhausted by morning. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. This condition, known as nocturia, is more common than most people realize. Frequent nighttime urination disrupts the sleep cycle, affecting your energy, mood, and overall health. The good news? You can take control of this problem. In today's guide, we'll explore 8 simple steps to eliminate nocturia and restore your peaceful nights. These practical tips are designed to target the root causes of nighttime urination and help you enjoy uninterrupted, rejuvenating sleep. Let's get started. Step 1. Limit salt consumption, especially at night. Salt is a vital component of our diet, playing a major role in maintaining fluid balance within the body. However, consuming too much salt, especially during the evening, can disrupt this delicate balance and lead to nocturnal urination, also known as nocturia. Here's how it works. Excessive salt intake increases sodium levels in your bloodstream. To compensate, your body retains water to dilute the sodium concentration, resulting in fluid buildup. As a result, your kidneys work harder to process and eliminate the surplus fluids, often during the night when your body should be at rest. This overactivity can interrupt your sleep cycle, leaving you feeling tired and unrested the next day. The effects of high salt intake go beyond fluid retention. It also interferes with the function of vasopressin, a hormone responsible for helping your body retain fluids during sleep. When this hormone is disrupted, your kidneys fail to slow down urine production at night, making nocturia more likely. Over time, this cycle can put extra stress on your kidneys and increase the risk of long-term health issues. Reducing your salt intake, particularly at dinner, can ease the strain on your kidneys and restore a healthy balance. Here are practical steps to cut back on sodium consumption. Avoid processed foods. Canned soups, sauces, frozen meals, chips, and other packaged snacks are often loaded with sodium. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible. Cook with herbs and spices. Replace salt with flavorful alternatives like garlic, paprika, basil, rosemary, or lemon juice to enhance the taste of your meals naturally. Choose low-sodium options. Many grocery stores now offer reduced sodium versions of common products such as broths, sauces, and snacks. Look for these alternatives to cut back without sacrificing flavor. Be mindful of sauces and dressings. Soy sauce, ketchup, and salad dressings can contain hidden sodium. Use them sparingly or opt for homemade versions. Making these adjustments to your diet not only helps reduce nighttime urination, but also benefits your overall health by lowering blood pressure, reducing bloating, and minimizing the risk of heart disease. By prioritizing low-sodium meals during dinner, you can ease the burden on your kidneys, promote better hormonal regulation, and set the stage for a more restful and uninterrupted night's sleep. Step 2. Manage carbohydrate intake. Carbohydrates are a primary source of energy, but consuming too many of them, especially during dinner, can contribute to nighttime urination in ways you might not expect. Foods like bread, pasta, white rice, and desserts quickly raise your blood sugar levels, triggering the release of insulin by the pancreas. While this insulin surge helps regulate blood sugar, it also has unintended consequences for fluid balance. Insulin influences other hormones, such as aldosterone, which plays a critical role in fluid retention. When this delicate hormonal balance is disrupted, your kidneys may overcompensate by eliminating more water, leading to increased trips to the bathroom during the night. The spike and crash cycle caused by high carbohydrate meals not only affects your energy levels, but can also overstimulate your kidneys and bladder, interrupting your sleep. Over time, this pattern can take a toll on your metabolic health, making it essential to adopt a more balanced approach to evening meals. Here's how to adjust your diet to stabilize fluid balance and reduce nocturia. Replace simple carbs with complex carbs. Swap refined grains for whole grains like quinoa, farro, or brown rice. These options digest more slowly, providing sustained energy without dramatic blood sugar spikes. Prioritize low-glycemic vegetables. Incorporate fiber-rich vegetables such as broccoli, spinach, zucchini, and kale. These foods have a minimal impact on blood sugar and help promote digestion. Add lean proteins and healthy fats. Include foods like chicken, turkey, fish, nuts, seeds, and avocados in your dinner. Proteins and fats take longer to digest and can help keep your blood sugar levels stable. Limit sugary foods and beverages. Avoid sweets, soft drinks, and desserts in the evening. These items can quickly raise blood sugar, contributing to the insulin and fluid retention imbalance. By rethinking your carbohydrate intake, you not only reduce the likelihood of nighttime urination, but also support better overall health. Balanced meals stabilize hormones, improve digestion, and keep you feeling fuller for longer, all of which contribute to a more restful night's sleep. These changes may seem small, but their impact on your sleep quality and energy levels can be profound. With a little planning and mindful eating, you'll find it easier to avoid nocturnal disruptions and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Step 3. Elevate your legs. Fluid retention in the lower body is a common but often overlooked cause of nocturia. When you spend most of your day standing or sitting, gravity causes fluids to accumulate in your legs and feet. These retained fluids re-enter your circulation when you lie down, increasing kidney activity and the urge to urinate at night. To counteract this, spend 20 to 30 minutes in the evening with your legs elevated above your heart level. Use a cushion or recline in a comfortable position while relaxing or reading. Pair this practice with light stretches or massages to improve circulation. This simple habit not only reduces nocturia but also relieves swelling, improves blood flow, and enhances your overall sense of well-being. Step 4. Adjust medication timing. Certain medications can significantly influence your urinary habits. Diuretics, often prescribed for high blood pressure or heart conditions, are designed to increase urine production. While they're effective during the day, taking them in the evening can disrupt your sleep. Other medications, such as antidepressants, cholesterol-lowering drugs, and even natural supplements like dandelion or horsetail may have mild diuretic effects. These can also contribute to nocturia if taken too late in the day. To minimize nighttime disturbances, schedule diuretic medications in the morning or early afternoon. Consult your doctor before adjusting any prescriptions to ensure safe and effective usage. Proper timing can make a significant difference in managing nocturia without compromising your treatment. Step 5. Avoid diuretic foods and drinks in the evening. Caffeine and alcohol are well-known diuretics, but they're not the only culprits. Foods like watermelon, cucumbers, tomatoes, and even herbal teas can increase urine production. Consuming these items at dinner or later can overstimulate your kidneys and interrupt your sleep. Instead, consider lighter, non-diuretic options for your evening meals. Cooked vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats are great alternatives that won't overload your renal system. Step 6. Hydrate strategically. Hydration is essential for good health, but how and when you drink water matters. Drinking large amounts of water late in the evening can fill your bladder, leading to nighttime interruptions. To manage your fluid intake effectively, consume most of your daily water before 6 p.m. Gradually reduce your fluid intake in the evening. Sip water in small amounts during the day to stay hydrated without overloading your bladder. This strategy ensures your body has enough time to process fluids during the day, minimizing nighttime disturbances. Step 7. Reduce alcohol consumption. Alcohol disrupts your body's natural ability to retain fluids by inhibiting the antidiuretic hormone, or ADH. This increases urine production and irritates the bladder, leading to more frequent bathroom trips. Consuming alcohol in the evening compounds these effects, making nocturia more likely. If nighttime urination is a problem for you, consider limiting or avoiding alcohol entirely, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Step 8. Address underlying medical conditions. If you've implemented these lifestyle changes and still struggle with nocturia, an underlying medical issue may be the cause. Common conditions that can trigger frequent nighttime urination include benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. This condition, common in men over 50, involves an enlarged prostate that presses on the urethra, making it difficult to fully empty the bladder. Type 2 diabetes. High blood sugar levels can lead to osmotic diuresis, where the kidneys work overtime to eliminate excess glucose. Overactive bladder syndrome. This involves involuntary bladder contractions that create a frequent urge to urinate, even when the bladder isn't full. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs. Infections can irritate the bladder, increasing urinary urgency and frequency. Consult a healthcare professional to identify and treat any underlying conditions. Proper management can significantly improve your sleep quality. Why quality sleep matters. Uninterrupted sleep is essential for your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Here's why. Cell regeneration. Sleep supports the repair and renewal of tissues, hormonal regulation. Proper sleep balances cortisol, melatonin, and other vital hormones. Cognitive health. Rest improves memory, focus, and decision-making. Immune function. Sleep strengthens your body's ability to fight infections. When Nocturia is under control, you allow your body to fully recharge, enhancing your overall quality of life. If you follow these 8 steps, you can drastically reduce nighttime bathroom trips and enjoy the restorative sleep you deserve. Remember, a good night's rest is more than just a luxury. It's a cornerstone of good health. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How often do you wake up to urinate at night? Which tips are you excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health insights. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you always. Until next time.